we're using to learn. So this is computer literacy level 1. It's like their book. So we're going to double click on it to open. Yeah, then I can come to this box and maximize it so that it fits firmly into the screen. Now this is how it looks. We have this button here which you can use to draw something. Maybe you're explaining to them and you want to highlight something. You use this button. You can also use this one to shade something. Maybe you want to emphasize something. Then you can erase the things that you've drawn. Then if you want to go back to normal clicking, you have to come back and click finish the drawing. Then you have this section here. This is just a logo. These are the pages. You can, using the mouse scroll, you can scroll down or up, but there is also a very thin scroll bar here. It looks invisible, but it's there. So you can also drag it up and down. Then you have the next and back buttons here. So I can move to the next page like that, or move back, or just quickly jump to a random page here. Then I also have a play button here. When I press this play, you can use this navigation bar here to quickly jump to places. Instead of just like the way you jump to places using this section here, you can also use this section. So maybe you were far or the scroll bar is disturbing you, you can just come to the navigation bar and click somewhere. Then another thing, we also have videos. This is how the videos work. Okay, if I go to videos, we have other buttons here. Here you want to reset. Now we have this button here. It is just used to cover the whole screen, so that the work covers the whole screen. It is like full screen mode. Then you can click on it again so that the work comes back, so that you exit the full screen mode. Then the other thing is we have videos in here. Let me go to one. We have videos here. Now you have, when you reach a video, you have to take note that when you move your mouse into the screen, the middle of the screen, this bar comes here. So when I move the mouse away, the bar goes away. So if you want to, let's say, fast forward, you have to move your mouse back and you can fast forward. Now sometimes this bar obstructs you. Maybe you want to do something behind, but this bar is obstructing you. So you move the mouse away so that it can go away, and then you see the things, for example, on the taskbar. So you just have to move the mouse away. So that is how the video works. The rest is you play, fast forward, the rest is normal stuff. Then we have exercises. Let me go down to an exercise, this one. The exercise starts with the login page where you have to type your name. Let me just type in any name. Then a class, let's say, then an email. Now this email part is optional. If you're connected to the internet, you put in an email. If you're not connected, you just leave this place empty. Or if you don't know which email to put, you can also just leave it empty even if you're connected online. But this email, normally you put the teacher's email such that when you're connected to the internet, results go to the teacher. The teacher can receive your results. So the teacher gives you the email and then you put it here. Because I don't have one now, I'm just going to click next. So you use this button to proceed. Now the exercises are simply just some of them are drag and drop, others you type in. Then multiple choice questions. Yeah. Then normal exercises, then drag and drop. For example, this is a jumbled sequence, so you're supposed to know which step comes first and last. So you can also click on the images to zoom them in, or click on them to zoom them back. Now, yeah, you go on doing that up to when you reach the end. So when you reach the end, they will ask you if you want to submit. Say yes. Now it will try to send the results, but if you were offline, this is the message that you will get. They ask you, failed to send results, do you want to try? Now I don't want to try because I'm not online. I'm just going to say cancel, and I see my results. Then you can go to review test. Then I'm going to drop this down to see the correct answers. You just put your mouse there, then they show you the correct answers. So you go on doing that, next, up to the last question. Now I'm going to close this review and then come back to this section here, next, so that I proceed. I go to the next page. So I'm just going to go and do that up to the last page. So basically this is the interface. This is how their notes work.